Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the best fishing drone under $500 you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research, and is ranked based on quality features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Introducing the best fishing drone under $500 for 2023. If you're a fisherman in search of a drone that can enhance your fishing experience, look no further. This comprehensive list showcases the top drones that address your concerns about durability, price, battery life, and more. With their exceptional camera quality, ease of flight, and unique features, these drones are designed to make your fishing trips easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Stay tuned to discover the perfect fishing drone for your needs. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the best fishing drone under $500. Let's begin. At number 5 is Potensic Dreamer Pro 4K. The ultimate fishing drone under $500 in 2023. Are you ready to take your fishing experience to new heights? Look no further than the Potensic Dreamer Pro 4K drone. With its exceptional features and affordable price tag, this fishing drone is perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Let's dive into what sets this drone apart from the rest. One of the standout features of the Potensic Dreamer Pro 4K is its impressive flying time. With a maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to capture breathtaking footage of your fishing adventures. Say goodbye to constantly worrying about battery life and focus on enjoying your time on the water. Smooth and silent flying is made possible by the drone's brushless motors. These powerful motors ensure a stable flight and minimal noise disturbance, allowing you to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature without any distractions. Get ready to capture stunning aerial shots with ease. Indoor and low-light flying is no longer a challenge with the Potensic Dreamer Pro 4K. Equipped with an optical flow sensor, this drone simplifies flying in confined spaces and dimly lit environments. You can confidently navigate through tight spaces and capture clear footage, even in less than ideal lighting conditions. At number 4 is Power Vision Power Ray Explorer. The ultimate fishing drone under $500 in 2023. Are you an avid scuba diver or fisherman looking for the perfect companion to enhance your underwater adventures? Look no further than the Power Vision Power Ray Explorer. With its exceptional features and affordable price tag, this fishing drone is revolutionizing the way we explore and engage with the underwater world. One of the standout features of the Power Vision Power Ray is its impressive battery life and waterproof construction. Gone are the days of worrying about your drone's performance. With the Power Ray, you can fly for several hours without any concerns, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the underwater experience. Its waterproof design ensures that it can withstand the rigors of any aquatic environment, making it a reliable and durable companion for all your fishing expeditions. Controlling the Power Ray is a breeze, thanks to the included remote and Wi-Fi connectivity. Seamlessly navigate through the water, capturing stunning live footage and gaining a unique perspective of marine life. The Power Ray's cutting-edge technology enables you to see and explore underwater in ways that were previously unimaginable. Whether you're an expert or an amateur, you'll appreciate the ease and convenience of controlling this drone. The Power Vision Power Ray is truly indispensable for every avid scuba diver or fisherman. It offers the perfect combination of usability and performance. With its affordable price point under $500, it's a game-changer in the fishing drone market, making high-quality underwater exploration accessible to everyone. At number 3 is Bwine F7 GPS Drones. Your ultimate companion for fishing in 2023. Are you an avid angler looking to take your fishing experience to new heights? Look no further than the Bwine F7 GPS Drones. Packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this drone is designed to revolutionize your fishing adventures. With a price tag under $500, it offers incredible value for money. Let's dive deeper into what makes this drone a must-have for fishing enthusiasts. The Bwine F7 GPS drone boasts a built-in brushless motor, compass, and barometer, which work harmoniously to ensure stable and ultra-clear photos and videos. Even in challenging weather conditions, this drone can withstand level 6 winds, providing you with a seamless flying experience. Say goodbye to shaky footage and blurry images. The Bwine F7 GPS drone guarantees exceptional quality every time. Take your fishing escapades to new heights, literally. With the ability to fly up to 2,000 meters above sea level, the Bwine F7 GPS drone lets you explore breathtaking aerial views that were once inaccessible. Not only that, but it also has an impressive range of up to 3,000 meters from the remote control, all without losing connection. Now, you can scout for the perfect fishing spot from afar and plan your route accordingly. At number 2 is Holy Stone 2K HS100. The largest and wind-resistant drone under $500 in 2023. Are you an aspiring drone enthusiast, looking for a powerful and reliable drone that won't break the bank? Look no further than the Holy Stone 2K HS100. With its large body and powerful motors, this drone is designed to keep hovering stably even in windy conditions, giving you the ultimate control and stability during your flights. One of the standout features of the Holy Stone 2K HS100 is its headless mode, altitude hold, and one-key takeoff and landing functions. These features make it incredibly easy to operate, making it the perfect choice for beginners and experienced flyers alike. No more worrying about which direction the drone is facing or struggling with manual takeoffs and landings. With the Holy Stone 2K HS100, you can focus on capturing stunning footage instead. Speaking of capturing footage, this drone comes equipped with a 2K optimized 120 degrees FOV FPV 5 GHz Wi-Fi camera. With its adjustable 90 degrees angle, you can easily capture high-quality videos and aerial photos from a unique bird's-eye perspective. But the perks don't stop there. The Holy Stone 2K HS100 also offers real-time viewing, allowing you to see exactly what the drone sees right from your remote control. Imagine being able to experience the thrill of flight and capture breathtaking moments from the comfort of your own hands. Now moving to the last one is Chasing Dory underwater. The Chasing Dory features an HD 1080p Wi-Fi camera with a wide lens and an f/1.6 aperture. This ensures that you capture stunning underwater footage with a broad field of view. To illuminate your path through the murky depths, the drone is equipped with dual headlights, each capable of projecting 250 lumens of light. To enhance your experience further, the Chasing Dory comes with a free smartphone app called the Chasing Geo 2. With this app, you can livestream your underwater adventures or utilize the dual play mode, where the drone can follow someone swimming underwater, providing a truly immersive experience. The best part? The Chasing Dory is available for an affordable price, making it accessible to all fishing enthusiasts. With a price tag under $500 in 2023, this fishing drone offers incredible value for money. So guys, this was the video about the best fishing drone under $500. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comments section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.